Do you need to have a paper and pencil quiz read to a student? If so, then try out ReadSpeaker's Text Aid Exam Mode. The steps are easy. Upload the quiz to your library and share it with the student's Exam Mode account. Check that it is an exam and include any accommodations. Set the start and end dates and set the window of time the quiz is available. Type in the student's email address and click Save Settings. The student has now arrived to take the quiz. The proctor will log into the student's Exam Mode account and navigate to the Shared with Me tab in the library. The student clicks on the quiz. The student can use a page mask or a reading ruler. The student can adjust the settings to their preferences of their reading speed, their font color, font size, font type, and their highlighting colors. Since other students are also taking the paper pencil test, most students write their answers on the paper after listening to the question. Students can also use the Annotations toolset to answer the questions electronically. Let's listen to question 1 with the Annotations toolset closed.
How are accommodations and accessibility different?
Let's use the Annotations toolset to answer the question. To listen to the answer, click on the speaker.
Accommodations are required by law to meet the accessibility requirements needed.
If we want to re-listen to question 1 and have the Annotations toolset open, we must use the Listen icon on the toolset. Let's listen to question 1 with the Annotations toolset open. Click on the Listen tool in the Annotations toolset. Highlight the question and click Listen.
How are accommodations and accessibility different?
Annotations are automatically saved. Did you notice the stopwatch? If you check the accommodation for exam time, then the student can see the timer. Clicking on the stopwatch toggles between showing or hiding the remaining time. Once the student finishes the quiz, the student clicks on Submit. If the student is writing on the paper, then the student will also hand in the paper to you. At this point, navigate back to your account, and you will see a notice on the bell that you have a quiz ready for grading. You can access the quiz by either clicking on the message in the bell area or navigating to the Submitted Documents tab in your library. You can download the quiz or click on the quiz to see the answers. See how easy it is to do? Why don't you give it a try?